In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add blog posts on Wix. First, open your site in the Wix website editor. You should see the main editing canvas with the toolbar on the left. From here, we'll add the blog to your site, then create and publish your first post. Open the site's page tools on the left and choose to add a new page. In the page options, select Blog. When prompted, click Add Wix Blog. This installs the Wix blog on your site and creates the default blog pages and the blog manager you'll use to write posts. It only takes a moment, and once it's added, the blog tools become available inside the editor. Next, open the blog tools. If you see a small floating toolbar on your canvas linked to the blog, click Blog there as well to jump into the blog options. Then choose Manage Posts to enter the blog manager, where all your posts will live. Click Create New Post. A new post editor opens. At the top, type your post title. Make it clear and searchable so visitors know what they'll get. Click into the main content area and start writing your post. You can format text, add headings, and structure your content for readability. If your layout includes a summary or excerpt field, add a short, compelling description here. This helps with previews on your site and on social platforms. When your content looks good, click Publish. If you're not ready for the world to see it, you could save a draft. But for this walkthrough, we're publishing so you can see it live. Immediately after publishing, you'll see an option to share and promote your blog post. Click that to open the built-in promotion tools. From the share screen, pick a sharing option that fits your audience, or copy the post link to share anywhere you like. This is a quick way to get your new content in front of readers without leaving Wix. Now that the post is published inside the blog, publish your entire site so the changes go live on your domain. Click Publish in the editor. This step updates your live site with the new blog and your freshly published post. Finally, click View Site to open your live website in a new tab. Navigate to your blog page and confirm the post is visible and formatted as expected. If you spot anything to tweak, jump back into the editor or the blog manager, make your edits, and publish again. That's it. You've added the Wix blog, created a post, published it, and shared it. For smoother workflows next time, keep a template for title